Hello guys, I'm back with a new video in this series, interview experiences with some of my friends who got selected in MNCs. So as a part of this interaction, today I would like to call S. Venkat Reddy, mechanical engineer who got placed in TCS. So let me call him on Hangouts. Hey, hi Venkat Reddy, how are you doing?
Hi Nagshekar, I'm well.
You know that we are doing an YouTube series on interview experiences with some of our friends. So, as a part of this interaction, today I would like to listen to your experiences.
Yeah, sure.
So, in this contest, I would like to ask you some questions.
Okay.
So, you got placed in TCS, right?
Yes, I'm placed in TCS.
So, being an mechanical engineer, how do you manage it to get an IT job?
First of all, knowing the process of TCS exam, it includes written test and the interview process. Coming to the written test, it includes the aptitude, verbal, and some coding skills. As I'm already good at aptitude and verbal domain, I'm concentrated on coding part, which is of C language. To get better in coding, I prepare well, and this preparation gives the confidence, and through this I cleared my written test. And coming to the interview, I prepared some of the frequently asked questions, and what are the, and some basics of C language, and knowing about the company, and through these all, I'm also qualified in the interview. Through this, I got placed in TCS.
Yeah. So, what are the programming languages you know?
Um, as I already mentioned, I'm quite good at C language.
Only the C language?
Yes, I'm good at C language.
Did the interviewer ever ask you by knowing the C language, how do you survive in IT industry?
Yeah, this was a question which was posed by the interviewer for me in the technical round. Um, yes, come. As for this question, I answered in this way. Yes, I'm quite good at technical skills, like AutoCAD Pro and CATIA SolidWorks. I'm also said that I'm also quite good at C language. For this, when he asked me with only C language, how can you survive in this IT sector? Then in a convincing way, I answer to the interviewer like this. So if time permits, I will learn the new languages, which requires my job. And also I mentioned, through TCS training program, I can enhance my skills to the next level. Um, and I'm strongly believing the TCS training program, um, which convinced the interviewer and created the trust and belief on me, that I can learn the other new language easily. For example, English is a language. Like in English, other languages also have words, sentences, and tenses and grammar something. Through C language, in coming to C language, we all have syntaxes, keywords, and something that's programming stuff. Like in C language and other languages like Java and Python, we also had syntaxes. But the common thing is logic making is common, and when comparing these things, syntaxes are different. By knowing these syntaxes, by learning these things, we can also learn other languages easily. Through this, I created the belief and trust between interviewer and me, um, that I'm suitable for this job and I can learn other languages easily.
Yeah, that's good, Venkat. So, what are the questions that are posed by the interviewer?
Yeah, my interview process is in three rounds. First one is technical round, second one is managerial round, and third one is HR round. Coming to the technical round, yes, all the interviews began with the same question mostly. My interview also began with tell me about yourself, and this is the first question which the interviewer posed me. For this, initially, started with my name and my educational qualifications, highlighting my skills like which are the technical skills of mine, like AutoCAD, CATIA, uh, and analysis softwares like ANSYS. And also saying that I'm quite good at basics of C language. Later he asked some C programs like number reversal, string reversal, factorial, matrix multiplications. Uh, like I'm answering all these programs. Um, the technical round completed. Coming to the managerial round, um, the interviewer gives me a situation. How can I manage? How can I manage as a team? One thing I want to say, as I'm a team leader for my minor project in my BTech, the interviewer asked me, how can you manage when your teammates are not cooperating or not meeting the expectations what you need. Then I answered the interviewer, um, I can give the essential guidelines to my teammates and telling them the importance of the project and giving essential guidelines. Um, and also if they have any problems in the team, I'm ready to solve them. Um Through this, I can manage my team and complete the project as early as possible. Later, in my HR round, HR uh, asked me that I have any location preference to do the job. Then I answered, I don't have any location preference. I can do the job anywhere. Um, I'm ready to do the job anywhere. Later, the HR asked about the what you know about the company. I'm answered that question also. In these three rounds, I completed my interview process.
Yeah, thank you, Venkat. You had briefed your interview in elaborative way. So there are some queries from the viewers. Would you like
Okay.
to mind asking them?
Okay, ask them.
So how do you prepare for GD?
Um, Coming to the GD, as I am not faced the group discussion in any of the interviews I faced, I want to give you the some tips and how well to be prepared for the GD. Coming to the group discussion, we must be confident while we are speaking. First thing we are given with the topic in the group discussion. Um, if you know the topic very well and you are aware of the topic given to you, please be ready to initiate the discussion among your group members, um, and please validate our points, and you are well aware of the topic, and please summarize the topic. And coming to the second case, if you are not aware of the topic, and you know less about the topic, and please listen carefully to the points which are made of all the other team members, um, and speak accordingly to that. And some of the other important tips while participating in a group discussion are, first thing, be confident, but avoid being overconfident. Talk with sense. Avoid superficial talk. Listen carefully and speak only at the appropriate time. Be very sure of what you are speaking, and your voice should be audible and clearly to all the other group members. Um, Put forth your points without being aggressive. Do not get excited or aggressive during the discussion. Try to maintain a balanced tone throughout the discussion. Um, Try to be the first and last to speak. Um, Lastly, improve vocabulary. This does not mean that you use heavy and big words, but it means that you will be able to understand the topic better and contribute effectively. And these are the better tips for the group discussion, that for the effective group discussion.
Okay, okay, Venkat. Does the resume or CV has have that much important in hiring process?
Yeah, resume plays a very important role in our hiring process. That is, a resume is an important tool for your job search because it offers a page or two where you can display your top skills and qualities. However, a resume is much more than that. Resume helps employer make hiring decisions and help you get your first interview. Um, um, your resume describes your qualifications and what makes you unique. To stand out among the other applicants, you need a resume that markets our strengths and match for the job. And A good resume includes like your education qualifications and career objective. The career objective is a very important thing in your resume, followed by your um, technical skills which are required for the industry purposes. Um, Coming to that, your extracurricular activities, and later your personal info, and brief discussion, brief information about your major and minor projects, and this builds a good resume.
Yeah, Venkat. So, being an mechanical engineer, what are the subjects you suggest to get an IT job?
Um, yes, all the subjects which we in mechanical which we study in mechanical engineering domain are important to get not only an IT job but also in core job, not on IT job but also in core job. Some of the subjects like which are the utmost importance in the interview process, like mechanics of solids, thermodynamics, material science and manufacturing process are some of the subjects where the interviewers want to ask the most of the questions from these subjects. Um, so please be thorough with the basics of the subjects, uh, and please ready with the subjects whenever you face an interview, not only in IT or core, any interview. The basics of the subjects will help you a lot.
Yeah, we are into the interview, Venkat Reddy. So, is there is any suggestion you want to extend to the upcoming freshers?
For the freshers, especially from the mechanical engineering domain, I want to say that please follow your passion, whether it is an IT job or a core job. In the primary part, please be prepared for the gate exam by taking consideration all the basics of the subjects in your mechanical domain. In the secondary part. Uh, Please be thorough with some technical skills like draw auto designing skills that are AutoCAD, CATIA, Pro-E, and some analysis softwares like ANSYS. And these skills will boost up to get better jobs and to crack the interviews easily. And when the mechanical engineer tries to for an IT job, please be ready with the coding skills also, not only with the C language, and try to learn other languages like Python, Java. In the meantime, uh, um, these are the suggestions I want to give to the for my freshers.
Yeah. Thank you, Venkat Reddy, for giving your valuable suggestions. Nice talking to you.
The one more thing I want to say, you are doing a great job by doing these videos, which were very helpful to our future aspirants and our other students. I think it's a great job which was done by you.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye, Nagshika.
Yeah, guys, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share the video. If you have any queries, doubts, please comment them in the comment box. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.